Each morning, the donkeys receive fresh grass, organic hay, and carefully balanced nutritious feed. Every animal is well fed, supporting the production of premium quality donkey milk. Clean, fresh drinking water is available throughout the day. Proper hydration is an essential part of animal care, supporting the health and well-being of every donkey on the farm. Before milking begins, each mother donkey is handled calmly and with care. The udder is gently sanitized. This helps maintain milk quality and food safety while ensuring the comfort of the animal. Milking is carried out with gentle, hygienic equipment designed for the comfort of each donkey. Fresh milk flows directly into sealed stainless steel tanks, minimizing
Freshly collected donkey milk is immediately filtered. This removes tiny natural impurities before chilled stainless steel storage tank. Rapid cooling preserves freshness and maintains quality. Every batch of donkey milk undergoes rigorous laboratory testing. Specialists verify microbiological safety, nutritional composition, purity, and quality standards.
After passing strict laboratory approval, enters the pasteurization system, while preserving its natural nutritional qualities before the next stage of production. Immediately after pasteurization, the milk is rapidly cooled to refrigeration temperature. Fast cooling preserves freshness, maintains product quality. To preserve the milk, it enters a freeze-drying process. The milk is frozen and placed under vacuum. This allows water to be removed without exposing it to high temperatures. The freeze-dried milk is gently milled. It forms a fine, uniform powder. The powder passes through precision sieves. The premium donkey milk powder is automatically filled. It goes into sterile food-grade containers with exceptional precision. Every package is sealed, batch-coded, and inspected. Every finished package passes through an automated inspection system to verify seal quality, labeling, and batch information. Approved products are packed into...
After final approval, the finished donkey milk powder is stored in a climate-controlled warehouse. Every shipment is tracked for complete traceability before being loaded. Premium donkey milk powder is easy to prepare by mixing it with clean drinking water. Once blended into a smooth, creamy drink, it is ready to enjoy as part of a balanced diet.